welcome back to Smoking with the Smiths. Today we're at our brand new outdoor prep area and we're gonna be doing some chicken lollipops for you guys, showing you a new recipe here on the channel. It's pretty much just chicken drumsticks. We're gonna trim them up real nice and turn them into chicken lollipops. So before we get started, make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment below to let us know what you think of these chicken lollipops and let us know if you try them at home. So with that, let's go ahead and get started. Okay guys, so for chicken lollipops, pretty much what we're going to do here is we have the chicken drumstick. We're going to cut right here into our drumstick and separate the skin and cartilage this way, push the meat down this way. It'll give you a nice ball of meat at the end here, and then a nice knuckle here to grab onto and eat it. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get right to it. You see here, you want to find where your meat is starting, and then you're just going to cut into your drumstick straight down to the bone the whole way around. And then when you get down there, just kind of work your way around, pull this skin and cartilage off the knuckle on one end. An easier way to do this is to take a paper towel. Gives you a little bit of extra leverage when you grab on, and then just tear it off. You sometimes will have to cut it off as well. Can be a little tricky. Right like that, and then we'll just kind of clean it up a little bit here. Oops. So when you have that knuckle cleaned off and the skin and cartilage off of that, you're just going to take your hand here and just try to push the meat down, pull the bone up a little bit. It gives you a nice nice ball of meat at the bottom there, and then they're going to stand up like so, and that's how we're going to put them in the smoker, just like that, so they stand up. Like I said, you got your ball of meat down here at the bottom, you've got something to hang on to there when you're eating it. So now we're just going to prep the rest of these right like that. Alright, now that we have our chicken drumsticks trimmed up, we got the skin off of the knuckle. We're going to put some dry rub on them, and today I've got Rib Rack Sugar-Free Barbecue Rub Original. So let's put a little dry rub on these, and then they'll be ready to go right onto the smoker.
So keep me company. Swear they holding on my feet, but they ain't not under me. The fumes on your sweater smell is so lovely. And I will never sell my soul, but you could buy the lease. And don't believe in make believe, just make your ends meet. Say a weekend and the weekend, never stress a thing. But we gon' go another day when we don't disagree. And when the sun's shining, regardless if you do.
Smoker set to 300 degrees, and we've got hickory pellets in there today. So let's get these chicken lollipops on.
I see your face. Need you more when you go, I need you more every day. Keep a foot on the brake in case I lose all control. Yeah, so baby,
we're gonna cook these for about an hour. Actually, we're gonna be aiming for an internal temperature of 165. Once we get to 165, we are going to glaze them and then keep them in there until the glaze sets. So for now, we're just gonna close the lid and let them cook for roughly an hour. Alright guys, these are looking good here. They've been on for about an hour. We're gonna glaze them now. We've got G-Hugh's honey barbecue sauce, and we're just gonna glaze these and let them on for about 10 more minutes.
I focused on you, baby. Lately you've been in my aim. I've been reaching out for you and still they're so far away. Looking through the smoke in the mirror. Crazy how I see you so clear. Crazy how I see you so clear. And how you make me smile. And how you make me smile. Oh yeah. And how you make me smile. Oh baby, how you make me smile. Smile more when I see you. Smile less when I miss you. No, I don't wanna be left alone. Oh no. Smile more when you come back. Smile more when I see you. Smile more when the sun shines bright. Believe me, I need.
There you have it, guys. It's chicken lollipops on the Pit Boss Casey combo. You put them on there for about an hour, maybe a little bit more than an hour. Glazed them, gave them 10 more minutes, and here they are. So let's give them a try. Yep. That's good. So really good flavor there. Really smoky, really sweet. You could definitely serve these as a meal. You could serve them as an appetizer. Very versatile dish, very delicious, very easy to make. Only took us a little over an hour. So if you have any questions or comments, leave them in the comment section below. And make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. And until next time, we'll see you then.